Luxury sedans are supposed to offer premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and top-tier performance. But not all of them deliver on those promises. Some come with unreliable engines, malfunctioning electronics, and repair bills that will leave your wallet crying. Imagine spending $60,000 or more on a luxury car, only to have it break down constantly and lose value faster than a sinking ship. Before you make the expensive mistake of buying a problematic luxury sedan, let's look at 4 of the worst ones that you should absolutely avoid. These cars have failed reliability tests, frustrated owners with constant breakdowns, and scored terribly in Consumer Reports ratings. Let's dive in. Maserati Ghibli. The Maserati Ghibli looks like a dream on the outside, but it is a nightmare when it comes to reliability and ownership costs. Maserati markets it as a Ferrari-powered luxury sports sedan, but in reality, it suffers from serious build quality issues, electrical malfunctions, and drivetrain failures. One of the biggest issues? The transmission system is prone to failure, leading to rough shifts and expensive repairs. The infotainment system constantly glitches, and the interior materials feel cheaper than you would expect in a 6-figure car. On top of that, Maserati's resale value is terrible, meaning you will lose tens of thousands of dollars if you try to sell it later. And let's not even talk about maintenance. A simple oil change can cost you $500, and a major repair can easily exceed $10,000. The Ghibli is one of the worst luxury sedans for long-term ownership, with horrible reliability, sky-high maintenance costs, and an unreliable drivetrain. The Maserati Ghibli turns heads with its sleek design and powerful engine, but owning one is a different story. If you are looking for a luxury sedan that will not drain your wallet in repairs, this is not the one. But is the next car on our list any better? Let's find out. Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu tries to position itself as a premium sedan, but it falls apart when it comes to reliability and performance. If you are looking for a smooth, long-lasting luxury experience, the Malibu is a disaster waiting to happen. One of the biggest complaints is engine failures and weak transmission performance. Owners frequently report excessive oil consumption, sluggish acceleration, and sudden stalling issues. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, is known to fail prematurely, leading to costly replacements. Inside, the materials feel cheap, and the infotainment system is outdated and slow. Unlike rivals such as the Toyota Camry or Honda Accord, which hold their value and perform well for years, the Malibu's resale value plummets quickly. The Malibu lacks true luxury, suffers from severe reliability issues, and does not hold its value, making it one of the worst luxury sedans to buy. Jaguar XE. Jaguar has long been known for building stylish, performance-driven sedans, but the Jaguar XE is proof that looks are not everything. While it offers a sleek design and strong driving dynamics, it falls apart when it comes to reliability. Owners have reported frequent electrical failures, faulty touchscreens, and malfunctioning safety features. The ZF automatic transmission, which should provide a smooth ride, suffers from jerky shifts and delayed gear responses. And let's not forget Jaguar's reputation for expensive repairs. Once the warranty expires, you will be paying thousands for unexpected maintenance. The XE is one of the most unreliable luxury sedans on the market. High repair costs, electronic failures, and resale value issues make it a poor investment. The Jaguar XE might look like a refined luxury sedan, but behind its sleek design lies a world of expensive repairs and electrical failures. And if you thought this was bad, the next car has an even worse resale value. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima is marketed as a premium midsize sedan, but it does not belong anywhere near the luxury category. One of its biggest weaknesses: the continuously variable transmission, CVT, which is notorious for early failure. Owners frequently experience slipping gears, jerky acceleration, and full transmission breakdowns before 100,000 miles. On top of that, the Altima's cabin materials feel cheap, and the infotainment system frequently freezes and malfunctions. It may look stylish, but it is far from reliable. The Altima is a terrible choice for long-term luxury. Poor transmission reliability, cheap materials, and frequent breakdowns make it a sedan to avoid. The Nissan Altima used to be a symbol of reliability, but recent models have been plagued with transmission failures that leave owners stranded. But it gets worse. The next luxury sedan has the worst depreciation of them all. Cadillac CT5. The Cadillac CT5 is supposed to be a worthy rival to BMW and Mercedes-Benz, but in reality, it falls far behind in both performance and reliability. While it does offer a comfortable ride and sharp styling, it has serious issues under the hood and inside the cabin. One of the biggest problems? Engine and transmission issues. The 10-speed automatic transmission is known for rough shifting, hesitation, and even complete failure in some cases. Owners have also reported electrical failures, malfunctioning touchscreens, and poor build quality. On top of that, the resale value of the CT5 is terrible. While a BMW 5 Series or Mercedes-Benz E-Class holds its value, the CT5 depreciates rapidly, making it a bad long-term investment. The CT5 suffers from transmission problems, poor reliability, and low resale value, making it one of the worst luxury sedans to buy. Cadillac wants you to believe the CT5 is a true luxury competitor, but with its jerky transmission and poor resale value, it's a financial trap. And speaking of unreliable luxury, the next car might look exotic, but owning one is a nightmare. Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Alfa Romeo Giulia is one of the most beautiful and fun to drive luxury sedans, but owning one is a nightmare. It is well known for mechanical failures, electronic glitches, and poor build quality. One of the biggest issues is unpredictable reliability. Many owners have faced engine failures, power steering malfunctions, and complete electrical shutdowns. The infotainment system is also notorious for crashing, leaving drivers frustrated. On top of that, Alfa Romeo's dealership network is weak, meaning getting repairs can take weeks, and parts are expensive. If you want a reliable European sedan, you are much better off with a BMW or Audi. The Giulia may look stunning and drive well, but its mechanical failures, poor reliability, and high repair costs make it one of the worst choices for 2025 to 26. The Alfa Romeo Giulia may turn heads, but with its constant breakdowns and expensive maintenance, it will also empty your bank account. But the final car on this list is one that truly disappoints because it had the potential to be great. Acura TLX. The Acura TLX is supposed to be a reliable luxury alternative to BMW and Lexus, but it falls short when it comes to driving experience, comfort, and durability. The biggest problem? Its transmission and turbocharged engines have been unreliable. Many owners have reported hesitant acceleration, jerky shifts, and premature transmission failures. Inside, while it looks premium, the infotainment system is confusing and laggy, and some of the materials do not feel as high-end as rivals like the Lexus ES or Audi A6. The TLX has reliability concerns, an underwhelming driving experience, and a confusing interior, making it one of the least desirable luxury sedans for 2025 to 26. The Acura TLX should have been a reliable alternative to German rivals, but weak performance, transmission failures, and poor interior quality make it one of the worst luxury sedans to buy. Now, let's dive into what Consumer Reports has to say about these models. Consumer Reports strongly warns against these 7 luxury sedans due to serious mechanical problems, reliability issues, and long-term ownership costs. Vehicles like the Maserati Ghibli, Alfa Romeo Giulia, and Jaguar XE may look tempting, but their history of electrical malfunctions, transmission failures, and high repair costs make them a nightmare to own. Similarly, American and Japanese sedans like the Chevrolet Malibu, Nissan Altima, and Acura TLX have suffered from declining build quality, outdated technology, and weak resale value. If you want a true luxury sedan, it is better to invest in a reliable brand like Lexus, BMW, or Mercedes-Benz rather than these problem-plagued models. Luxury cars are supposed to offer elegance, performance, and peace of mind, but these 7 sedans will only bring frustration and massive repair bills. If you want a trouble-free ownership experience, it is crucial to do your research and avoid these problematic models. Which luxury sedan do you think is the worst of all? Have you had a bad experience with any of these models? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert car advice.